Okay, next one up, one of my favorites. This is a returning client with his recently purchased second-hand Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. Lovely machine. Unfortunately, the previous owner had either cleaned it or had it cleaned by someone, and they used something quite aggressive, so it's discolored all the screw heads. This cover's discolored. Not much I can do with the cover, but we will take out a few of these screw heads, get those all polished up. He's going to go with a full works package, which will include the 2-stage machine polish on all the bodywork. We'll get this exhaust all minted up. We will then prep it once all this is polished. Got quite a few marks on it, and then we'll seal it with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. Like I said, whatever they used previously, look, they even stained the forks. Was quite aggressive, so it's left a lot of nuts and bolts discolored. So we will do what we can, get some XCP on all the motor, get all this gunk cleaned up, and then we'll get some ceramic on all the bodywork. Look at that. See that? So enough of my jibber jabber. Let's work a little chop magic, and we'll get this belly pan off first so we can get access to that exhaust, get this thing looking like it should, and get it properly protected for the years ahead. Give me a few hours. Okay, got the belly pan off just to get access to all the front of the motor. We're going to get that all cleaned up, get this exhaust polished up. Took the heat guard off the rear pipes, so we'll get those polished up. I just had a quick polish of a few of those screw heads. They come up really nice, so we'll pull off a few other ones that are quite bad, and we'll polish those up once this is all washed and dried off. It's just had this cover replaced. Apparently that cover was all corroded. Such a shame on such a new bike. This is why it's so important to get your bike properly protected when it's brand new. I've done quite a few of these Multistrada Pikes Peak lately. They get new bike packages which gets the ceramic on every little nook and cranny, so making sure to keep it protected. This one obviously hadn't been done, but not to worry. FC is in the house. Okay, cracking on with this Multistrada. All the exhaust has been meticulously cleaned and polished all up underneath. Looking pretty sweet. Just put a bit of heat paint on that guard there. Like I said, whatever they used previously stained a load of bits and pieces. That was all stained, so that's all been redone. I prepped these wheels. We treated those with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. All the front exhaust has all been minted up. I just refitted the bash plate. The end can's been minted. Now we're going to crack on with a bit of paint correcting. I was just having a look at some of these sides. See all those scratches on there? We're going to give this a, oh my gosh, what the hell is that? We're going to give that a 2-stage polish, and then we'll treat it with the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Should help out with all these minor scratches in the future. There you go, just under 3 hours. This Ducati Multistrada Pikes Peak has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Look at the gloss on that paintwork. This has had a 2-stage machine polish with the Cartec 3000, finished off with the 9000, and then we prepped it and I treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Should help with any minor scratches on that black. Oh my god, the gloss is absolutely on point. All been thoroughly polished, prepped and treated. Signature Pro on all the wheels. All the motor has had the XCP corrosion protection, as it had quite a bit of damage from previous washes. I put the XCP on there just to give it a bit of moisture. All those little screws there, I've polished up all the heads. Looking pretty sweet. All done just under 3 hours. Get yours booked in now. We are open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.